New Google AI Super Gems update is insane. Gems have been inside Gemini for a while now. If you haven't used them, here's the quick version. A gem is basically a custom AI expert you build inside Gemini. You give it a name, write instructions for how it should behave, and from that point on, every time you open that gem, it already knows its role. No reprompting, no starting from scratch. Just open it and go. So for example, you could build a gem that acts like a writing editor who knows your brand voice, or a gem that works like a coding partner, or a brainstorming partner, or a career coach. Google even gives you pre-built gems to get started. Things like a learning coach, a sales pitch ideator, and more. You can also upload your own files into a gem, so it has the context it needs to be actually useful. That's been the baseline. And it was already good. But now, Google took it to a completely different level. Stay with me here because this next part is where things get interesting. Google has a tool they've been building inside Google Labs called Opal. It's been in testing for a while, mostly available to a limited group of users. Opal is a visual natural language workflow builder. What that means is it lets you build multi-step AI workflows using plain English. No coding, no scripts, no API setup. You just describe what you want the tool to do and Opal figures out all the steps. So let's say you tell it, build me a workflow that takes a blog topic, does keyword research, writes a full draft, and then creates social media captions for promotion. Opal doesn't just answer that as a prompt. It actually builds a reusable system with all of those steps wired together. You run it once, you save it, and you use it over and over again. And now, as of December 2025, Google has taken Opal and put it directly inside Gemini. That's what Super Gems are. Inside your Gems manager in Gemini, there's now a section called Gems from Labs. That's where you'll find this. The interface has two clear sections. Pre-built gems from Google Labs are at the top. Your own custom ones are below. And if you were already using Opal workflows separately, those automatically migrated over under my gems from Labs. No manual transfer needed. Here's how building one actually works. You open the workflow builder inside Gems. You type what you want in plain language. Gemini then auto-generates the workflow steps, the system prompts for each step, and the visual layout. You can see the whole thing laid out in front of you like a flowchart, and you can edit each part in real time. You can test it immediately using the preview inside the builder. It supports standard text input and even voice dictation, which is huge if you're on mobile and don't want to type out long prompts. Once you're happy with it, you can publish it with a shareable link. That means your team, your friends, or anyone you want can access and use the same workflow. No complicated Google Drive permissions, just a link. And if you want deeper control, there's an advanced option that takes you directly to the full Opal builder at opal.google.com, where you can get into the more technical details of your workflow. This is genuinely different from what's been available before. Let me explain why. Before this update, building a multi-step AI workflow meant juggling multiple tools. You might use Gemini for the chat side, another tool for automation like Zapier or Make.com, and then something else entirely for task management. You were switching contexts constantly. That context switching kills your focus and slows everything down. What Super Gems does is bring all of that into one place. You build the workflow inside Gemini. You run it inside Gemini. You share it from Gemini. Opal even handles the hosting, so once your mini app is ready, you don't need to set up any servers or deploy anything yourself. It just works. And here's something worth understanding about how Opal chains things together. It doesn't just fire off one prompt and give you a result. It links multiple prompts, multiple model calls, and multiple tools into a single connected mini app. Each step feeds into the next. So the output from step 1 becomes the input for step 2, and so on. That's what makes these workflows genuinely powerful compared to a regular Gemini conversation. This is the practical shift. Instead of AI giving you a single answer, you're now building systems. A system you design once and reuse forever. A system that can handle a whole sequence of tasks automatically. And a system other people on your team can use too. Now, a quick note on where things stand with the rollout. As of when this launched in December 2025, the Super Gems feature with Opal integration was rolling out first to users in the US and a select group. Google is taking a staged approach here, the same way they brought Notebook LM integration into Gemini gradually. So if you don't see it yet, check back in your Gems manager and look for the Gems from Lab section. It's being expanded and more regions are expected to get access over time. All right, now let me give you some real examples of how you can actually put this to use, so it's not just theory. Think about content creation. A lot of people who create online content have a very repeatable process. Take a topic, do research, write a draft, adapt it for different platforms. That's 4 separate tasks. With Super Gems, you could build a single workflow that handles all of that. You enter the topic and the workflow takes care of the rest. Research, draft, social captions, done, every time, consistently. Or think about onboarding a new team member. You could build a gem that acts as your onboarding guide. It already knows your processes, your style, your standards. New person joins, you hand them the gem link, and they have a knowledgeable assistant ready to answer questions about how things work in your specific context. Or think about research. You could build a workflow that takes any topic you're investigating, pulls together key information, summarizes it in your preferred format, and outputs a structured brief. Every time, same quality, no extra effort from you. The point is this: the tasks you do over and over are the exact things you should be building gems for. And with Super Gems, you're not just saving a prompt, you're building an actual process that runs automatically. You go in with the expectation that you're building on something that's still evolving, but even in this early state, it's already a genuinely useful tool. The bigger picture here is what Google is actually building toward. What they're doing with Super Gems is pulling their experimental AI features into one platform. Opal was separate. Notebook LM had its own integration. Gradually, everything is coming into Gemini. The goal seems to be making Gemini your central AI workspace, where you can chat, research, build, and automate all in one place without needing to manage a stack of separate tools. That's an ambitious direction. And if they execute it well, it changes how a lot of people use AI day to day. So here's what I'd actually suggest doing right now. Go into Gemini, open the Gems Manager, look for the Gems from Lab section. If it's available in your account, start exploring the pre-built ones first to understand what these workflows look like. Then try building one from scratch. Keep it simple. Pick one task you do repeatedly and see if you can turn it into a workflow. Even a basic one will teach you how the builder works. And as this feature expands and gets more polished, you'll already be ahead because you started learning it early. If you're looking to dive deeper into AI tools and actually implement them in your work, I recommend AI Profit Boardroom. Over 2,000 people learning how to use AI effectively. Everyone shares real experiences. What's working? What's not? Which tools are worth your time? Which ones to skip? No hype. Just solid information and practical guidance from people doing the work. It's helped me stay on top of updates and figure out how to actually apply them. Link in the description if you want to check it out. And if you want the full process, SOPs, and 100 plus AI use cases like this one, join the AI Success Lab. Links in the comments and description. You'll get all the video notes from there, plus access to our community of 58,000 members who are crushing it with AI. That's everything on Google Super Gems. Now go build something.